Once again, let's give a round of applause to our group number 7.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and IGP New Year. Piyesa ba? Piyesa ba? Pag IGP ka na, sa quality at presyo, panalo ka. IGP, IGP quality, IGP good, IGP pricey, affordable, IGP.